This is the ID Buzz sliding door kick pads installation video. Using a alcohol swab that's included in the kit, go ahead and clean the surfaces where the tape will actually make contact. Place a 2-inch piece of blue tape starting at the front edge of this plastic trim. This is just to show you where the lower kick pad is going to mount. Test fit it, slide it back and forth. Now we're going to prepare the tape backing for application. Pull up the tape, fold it, and make sure that the tab is exposed. Carefully place the lower kick pad in position using the blue tape as your guide. Tack it, and then pull the tab away and expose the tape to the painted surface. Once you've removed the tape backing, apply 25 pounds of force to ensure that the tape has a great bond. The tape will be fully cured after 24 hours. Now on the top guard, there are two ways of aligning this. First way is by finding the correct curvature of the door entryway by sliding the part back and forward. And the second way is by evenly matching up the ends of both guards. Remove the tape backing for the 2-inch piece of VHB and create a folding tab for the lower VHB tape. Also remove the rear 2-inch tape backing. Now when we place this part, we're going to pivot from the top to the bottom. Tack the top side and pivot it down until the front side of the tape makes contact, and then pull the tab. Once the tab is pulled, go ahead and give it 25 pounds of pressure. And there you have it, slider door kick pads. Another great product from TerraWagon.com.